Hello friends, I am Vijayan Valivari. All are welcome to my YouTube channel. In the session 8 video, we have seen how caution orders are issued from wayside station. That is the caution imposed by station master as well as imposed by the section engineer permanent way. Now we have to see how caution orders are issued from notice stations, how it is served to the GLP, and also how the caution orders are cancelled. All these things we are going to see in this video. Now let us see how this caution order is implemented in this section. Section engineer PA has introduced 30 kmph caution at the spot of lurch, and he has issued a message to the station master, and the station master has acknowledged that message. Normally this caution will be with immediate effect until further advice. So after receiving this caution, the station master T will be stopping all trains and issuing caution order at 30 kmph to all trains. Now he has prepared a message based upon the letter from SCPA, and that message he has to communicate to the notice station in rear. Here we are having two notice stations R and M. To these notice stations he must communicate the caution and also to the controller at the divisional headquarters. First he will communicate this caution order to station M. Let us take it as time 10:30. So the 10:30 he received the caution message from section engineer. He has prepared the caution message for R and M. Station T has communicated the caution message to station M with a PN, with the support of a PN. Now station M has to note down that message, and then he has to give a PN to the station T. Before giving this PN to station T, there are two responsibilities to be taken by this station M. One is he must give the first train for which he has issued caution order. First train to which caution order is issued, and also the number of trains which are left just before this caution order. Say at 10:30 station M has got this message. At 10:45 only the next train is to leave at station M. Let us take the first train as 2618. So for this 2618 express train, the station master will issue caution order. So thereafter he will acknowledge the caution message from station T, and he will give the first train to which caution has been issued. And also he will inform which are all the trains left just before this first train, because all these trains are not issued with caution order, and till this first train 2618 comes, the station T must stop all the trains and issue caution order. From 2618 onwards, run-through trains can be left as such, because after 2618 all these trains will be issued with the caution order from station M. So he can leave all the run-through trains. Run-through trains need not be stopped out of course for issuing caution order when the caution order is issued from station M. Now other trains, stopping trains as well as trains which are stopping out of course, will be issued with the caution order in form T bar B 409. T bar B 409. So this is the caution order form to be used by this station for issuing caution to stopping and trains which are stopping out of course after the caution has been issued from notice station. It is only a remainder caution, and this remainder caution should be issued to all stopping trains and trains stopping out of course by station T, and that is in form T bar B 409. This T bar B 409 is almost exactly same as T bar 409. Only two differences are there. One, here it will be, instead of T bar 409, it will be T bar B 409. That is the form number. And here in the top it will be written here that it is remainder caution order. Though it is a remainder caution, guard and loco penalty both should be issued with caution order, and their acknowledgement must be received in the record copy of the caution. T bar 409 is caution order and T bar B 409 is remainder caution order. Now let us come to M station. M station, he has issued caution to the first train 2618 and it is communicated to station T. Station T, in the caution order register there is space for writing this first train from notice station. So he will write the first train 2618 in the caution order register at his station. Also M station will inform which are the trains left just before this 2618, so that station T will be aware about it. M station master has received a caution order message now at 10:30. He will record this in the caution order message book and also in the caution order register. There may be caution between W and X. There may be caution between R and S. There may be caution between P and Q. All these stations will be giving caution order message to the station M. Normally the station master M is issuing a caution order to the GLP. It will contain several cautions, and these cautions should be written in geographical order. I told you what is meant by geographical order. That is, when the loco pilot starts train from here, he must have the first caution first. So if there is a caution between O and P, that should come first in the caution order. Then there is a caution between T and U, that should come the next. Every Monday the station master M will carry over the caution order in the caution order register. In the caution order register, several cautions will be there, and these cautions will not be in the geographical order in the caution order register at the end of the week. End of a week, that is end of Sunday. Monday, he will carry forward all these caution in geographical order in the caution order register. That is how the caution order register is maintained at the station. Suppose the notice station, there is no caution between M and Y. This can also happen. No cautions, no speed restrictions between M and Y. In that case, the station master M will issue a caution order in form T bar 409, nil caution order. So any of these caution order, T bar 409 or T bar 409, nil caution order, the loco pilot and guard must obtain while starting the train from notice station as well as from train starting station. A goods train is started from M station to X station. In that case, this destination station of this goods train is X. So it is enough for the station master M to prepare caution order from M station to X station. So the caution order is issued from notice station, either from notice station to notice station or from notice station to the destination station. There may be cases where the trains started from stations in between. Here from P station, a goods train is getting ready and it is to be started and proceeded to station X where there is an FCI siding, and the train should be issued with a caution order. So where from this station master P will get caution from P station to this X station? He will get these caution messages from the controller. From the controller he will get the caution, which are all the cautions existing between station P and station X. Suppose he could not contact the controller, then he will contact station M, notice station in rear of him, and get all the particulars of the cautions existing between P and X. And then he will issue the caution order to the GLP. Now just imagine a situation where when the train is to be started from station P, the station master tries to contact controller. He could not contact him. He tries to contact the station M. he could not contact station M also. Now he cannot understand what are the cautions existing between P and X. Now what he should do? Without a caution order, the GLP will not start the train. Either they must get a T bar 409 caution order or nil caution order in T bar A 409. Now station P can start the train to Q with the caution from P to Q if at all there is an existing caution in T bar 409. Suppose there is no caution between P and Q, he can issue T bar A 409 nil caution. So he can start the train, and on reaching at Q, the GLP will not go further because they are not having caution from Q station onwards. The station master P issued caution only up to Q. So they will stop here, they will seek caution. In that case, Q can contact the controller or station M for the cautions existing between Q and X, and he can issue the caution order. So that is how, when the communication is failed, the trains are started. Few minutes back when we are talking about this caution, on receiving the caution order message from T station, the notice station M should give the first train to which it is issued caution order, and also the number of trains which are left before this particular train to the station master T. Now a question may arise, why he should tell all these trains which are left before this particular train, before this first train. So the first train we have taken as 2618. So the trains left before 2618, that should be informed to the station master T. Why? Anyhow, the station master T is going to stop all trains at his station and issue caution order till this 2618 train comes. All the trains will be issued caution order, and from there onwards, when 2618 goes, all non-stopping trains will be left as such, but stopping trains and stopping out of course trains will be issued with remainder caution order. That is the procedure. Now if that is the procedure, why the station master M should give the trains which were left before 2618 to the station master T? Now let us take an imaginary case. See, here 2618 is leaving at 10:45. So the station master had left a train at 10:30. Possibly at 10:30 station master M left a train towards T, and it is not issued with caution order. The first train to which he has issued caution order is 2618, which is left at 10:45. Now this train, this particular train left at 10:30, it was stopped at station P for giving precedence to this 2618. So this train, the first train which is without caution, that is stopped here, and this 2618 which left at 10:45 from M passed this station and is going. Now this train is following, and when this 2618 has left the station, normally for run-through trains, this station master T will not issue caution order because it is the first train it has left. For all non-stopping trains, it can go. Suppose this train following, suppose the following train for which caution order is not issued, suppose it is run through at the station, what will happen? Definitely that train will go at a normal speed. There is every chance that the train will go with the normal speed at this caution spot because it is not having the caution order. So in order to avoid this only, the station master M should give the trains which left previously to this 2618. Now the station master T has got the list of the trains which are not issued with the caution order, which will come to his station. So from that list, this train number will also be there. So after leaving this 2618, if he check the list, he will understand that one more train has to come without a caution order. So that train can be stopped at this station out of course, because it is a through train, it will be stopped and it will be issued with a caution order. So in order to avoid this kind of problem, only the station master M, that is the station master at the notice station, should give the particulars of the train left before this first train. Now let us see how the caution is cancelled. Suppose there is a work going on between this R and S. Here a work is going on and the CPV is in charge of the work, and the work for that work they have taken speed restriction of 50 km/h, maybe 50 km/h take. So this work is going on and it is over, that work is over. Now speed restriction can be lifted. Now the SCPV will give a message to the station master R that his message number so and so is cancelled at so and so time, at 16 hours. The message number mentioned here is the number of the message which he had given yesterday. For undertaking the work here, he had given yesterday a message addressed to DOM for speed restriction. So that message number he will quote now and he will say it is cancelled. This copy of this cancellation message, the station master will paste in the caution order message book on the side of this caution message, and also write in reading the date and time and the caution cancelled by the message number so and so of SCPV. Then he will put his signature, that's all. And based upon this same message, he will also cancel the particular caution in the caution order register with the date and time in reading. The station master R has to inform the notice station and also controller about the cancellation of this caution order. So the station master will give the message, his own message will be giving based upon the cancellation message received from SCPV. What message he will give from station master R to station master M? The caution order number so and so. That is the caution order issued in the morning, maybe morning or 2 days back, whatever it be. The particular caution which he is going to cancel now, that will be referred. So the caution so and so at a kilometer so and so between R station and S station is lifted at 16 hours, whatever it be, at 16 hours by section engineer PY. So that message he will give to station master M, and the station master M will acknowledge it. Now the question is it necessary to exchange PN for this cancellation message? The GR and SR of Southern Railway speaks nothing about the exchange of PN for cancellation. However, there can be circulars or instructions for exchanging this PN for cancellation message. Now the station master R will give cancellation message to controller also. The station M will stop issuing caution between station R and S. This particular caution will not be there in the caution order which is issued from station M thereafter. Regarding this cancellation of this caution, station master R will never cancel the caution unless he gets in writing from the SCPV that the caution has been cancelled. Similarly, the SCPV will never issue cancellation message before completing the work. Okay friends, now you have seen how caution orders are issued from wayside stations and also the notice stations, and how it is served to the GLP, and how these caution orders are cancelled. In railways, most of the time caution orders are issued for permanent way works, that is the works undertaken by the engineering department for the repair works of the track or bridge or LC gauge. For all these repair works, we have to issue caution order. Normally, to undertake the works, caution order will be issued, and after the works also speed restriction will be there. For that also caution orders will be issued. Normally, these repair works of the track, LC gauge, bridge, all these things are coming under programmed work. That is, these works will be well programmed. So the caution order also, the issue of caution order will also be pre-programmed, or it will not be a sudden implementation. Now we have to see how these works are undertaken and how these caution orders are issued. Also, you have seen that in the caution order, that is T bar 409, you have seen this caution indicator, speed indicator, termination indicator, etc. We are yet to see what are these indicators. The subject caution order will not be complete without the knowledge of all these CI, SI and TI. So in the next video, we are going to see the programmed work, that is short duration work and long duration work, and how this work site is protected and how the caution orders are issued. All these things we are going to see in our next video. I hope that with the next video we can complete the subject on caution order. Anyhow, those who are yet to subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe, and also please view this video from session 1 onwards. What I am going to give here through the videos is a continuous one. Unless follow the videos from session 1 onwards, it will be very difficult to understand the subject. Those who are yet to subscribe this channel, kindly subscribe and also click the bell icon near to that subscription button, so that you will be getting notification in your mobile phone about the video whenever it is posted. So okay, we will see in our next video.